So this is my Cambodia quick eats video. Stay tuned to see what I'm eating. Fanta with a lime is the thing here, and it's so good. Try it. Then of course you have your Coke, but that apple juice next to it was freshly juiced and amazing. And then of course you have Starbucks, which is universal. Everybody loves coffee, right? So then I quickly wanted to show you guys what they have in the grocery stores for drinks. Check it out. So not only was this the juice aisle, but the junk food. So chips, and then on the other side of the aisle was candy and things like seaweed, which I am not going to try right this second. I'll have to ease into that one. So yes, Cambodia does have Burger King. I got fries, a fish sandwich, a piece of chicken, mozzarella sticks, and chicken nuggets, and a drink for like $7.20. So that's awesome. So the next place I tried was called the Pizza Company, and they had some really good barbecue chicken wings that were slightly spicy. And yes, this is where I tried that really good salad dressing. The next place I've been eating a lot of is the M Cafe down at the Mito Hotel. And this chicken soup, oh my gosh, I just don't have enough words. It's so good, y'all. So the final place I'm sharing with you guys is called Ram Noon, and it's part of the Tree Alliance group that funds children going to school who otherwise wouldn't be able to afford it. So here I had jasmine rice, fish amak, which is one of Cambodia's most famous dishes, crispy duck spring rolls, and a watermelon and apple juice that was of course freshly squeezed as usual. If you guys ever get a chance, definitely try the fish amak in Cambodia. It's really good.